Welcome back to the bacteria series. This is part 4, and today we're going to be talking about the internal structures. I think we will cover some of them today and the rest of it in the next video. So let's start. So internal structure contains those parts which are inside the cell wall. So first we're going to be talking about the cell membrane. So cell membrane is the innermost phospholipid bilayer that is beneath the cell wall and encloses the cytoplasm. So it is the innermost phospholipid bilayer below cell wall encloses cytoplasm. So you would have seen or studied about phospholipid bilayer before, where we have the head on top, we have the tail inside. So it has a hydrophobic tail and a hydrophilic head. So it looks like that and it keeps going on. So yeah, that's about that. So they are generally very thin. The layer is very thin and semi-permeable. So what do you understand from the term semi-permeable? That means that it allows only certain particles to pass through the layer, unlike cell wall where it allows all things to pass through. So this layer is sort of like a guard, like a school guard, which checks who is eligible to get inside. So these contain high amounts of protein, high protein content, and they also contain unsaturated and saturated fatty acids. Unsaturated and saturated. I'll just write the short form: saturated fatty acids. Then we have they are equipped with porin proteins that allow the transport of nutrients and ions through passive transport. So porin proteins, these are type of proteins which transport nutrients and ions by passive transport. So passive transport. So that's about that. Then functions. So as I told you before, the first function is it's selectively or semi-permeable. So that means it regulates the inflow and outflow of nutrients and ions. So just like how I gave the school example. So semi-permeable. Then we have it conducts electron transport, and then it controls osmosis as well. So cytoplasm is a colorless colloidal, like it's in the shape of a colloid, viscous fluid which is enclosed within the plasma membrane. Enclosed within the plasma membrane. So the cytoplasm contains ribosomes, mesosomes, inclusion bodies, nucleic acid, and vacuoles. So the function of ribosome is that it synthesizes bacteria's proteins and enzymes. Synthesizes protein and enzymes. Right. So then we have mesosomes. So what is mesosome? It is the vesicular. Vesicular membrane of membranous proteins of the plasma membrane. Then what are inclusion bodies? Inclusion bodies are nothing but their function is basically to help with the food storage. Yeah. So next we're going to be talking about nucleus or nucleoids. So like how we call humanoids, because robots act like humans, so we call them humanoids. Here nucleoids act like nucleus, or they look like nucleus, so they're called nucleoids. So the bacteria contain prokaryotic nuclei which lack nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and as well as nucleoplasm. So this one is a double-stranded DNA which is tightly coiled. Then they're also found in the form of chromosomal DNA. So like how I showed you the diagram, right? Chromosomal DNA. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please do check the link in the description to find the bacteria series playlist. So with this we complete the internal structure of the bacteria. So in the next video we're going to be talking about the endospore. So please wait for this next video. Until then, please do hit the bell icon, subscribe, and share with those who might be in need of this video. So until then, take care and bye. Thanks for listening. Bye.